among the two base rasayan substances described by Ayurveda. We have even seen brief information about Haritaki in the previous section. The second best rasayan substance is the Amla, which is well known to everyone. Today we are going to give some information and discussion about the Amla. The most famous medicine made from Amla, which is known not only in India but also in the world, is Chyavanprash. The main ingredient in Chyavanprash is Amla, and we have seen that Amla is one of the best rasayan. The word rasayan is term in Ayurveda. Its general meaning is that which nourishes all the elements of the body and destroys all the diseases. Chyavanprash is available in abundance in the market. Of course, it should be made in a good way. One thing should be kept in mind while using Amla. It is very simple. If the disease for which we want to use Amla are caused by heat or aggravated by heat, then Amla is the best medicine for all those diseases. We have seen this before in the case of Hirda, that if diseases are increasing or are about to occur due to the cold, then Hirda works best at that time. If we keep this in mind, then we can use Amla in the required quantity. If it is not noticed that the disease is caused by cold or the disease is caused by heat, then it is easy to use both Hirda and Amla together. Or instead of that, the simple thing is the use of Triphala powder can be simple and easy and better one. One of the Amla product available in the market is what we call Morala. This Morala can be made at home as well, and it is also durable. If we want to give Amla to anyone from young children to the elderly, it is possible to give it to us in the form of Morala. Amla candy is a type of Amla that is easily available. It can be liked by anyone from young children. Using it means using the properties of Amla. Amla powder is available in the market. We can also use it. However, we can also make Amla powder at home. Dried Amla is available in the market as our country. Bring it and prepare its powder, filter it and then use it. If you add Amla and Hirda powder along with Beda, you will get Triphala powder, as we have seen in the previous section. In the original text of Ayurveda, it is explained that the diseases that are cured by Hirda are also cured by Amla. That is, in short, all skin diseases, piles, fever, headache, diarrhea, arochak, cough, shwas, impotence, worms, etc. are cured by Amla. There are 6 rasas in total. Out of these, Amla also has 5 rasas. Therefore, it is a very beneficial for the body. And since it is easily available and has more qualities, we can use it regularly. There will be no harm from it. Whatever happen will only be the beneficial. We know that the earth was created from the sun, and this hot earth gradually cooled down, and today, however, the heat or temperature of the earth is increasing, which is called global warming, and that is the process that started from the hot quality, stopped until the cold quality, and now it is going back to the hot quality. This is the initial part of the earth's decline. Therefore, the idea of the first described in Haritaki, Ayurveda, was introduced. If we think about the hot quality, then the earth has also cooling down, and now if the hot quality is going to increase in its decline, then one thing is certain: in the future there will be a need of amla in more quantities than hirda. And this is the law of nature. This is what is certain. In the future it is more useful for us to use amla. For that the yield of amla needs to increase. It is useful for future generation. For that planting an amla tree is beneficial in every way. Everyone should try to plant an amla tree. Then in future lives it is possible for our generation to use amla more easily. It has proven by the experience of many that amla is very useful for hair. That is why amla oil made. Amla oil is available in the market and used in large quantities. But consuming amla benefits hair growth because we have seen this before. If the heat goes to the root of the hair ripes or falls out, and because it is cold, amla reduces the heat there and becomes very useful for the hair. So many people use amla as a hair conditioner. While cooking vegetables, we often add a little sour taste. Sometimes we add amsul or currently tomato is added in large quantity. Instead of, we discuss this tomato sometime, but if we add 1 or 2 slices of dried amla instead, it will be definitely be used better. Whenever you feel the need of sour taste, then add dried amla slices to the vegetables. If we also provide sour taste, and we can easily take a substance like amla in small quantities from our diet. A ritual of consuming amla is described in Ayurveda. It is said to be used for rasayan treatment. However, even though it is difficult one, I am telling it here deliberately. From it we should realize how important amla is. It is said that one should live in the amla forest, live on the tree, consume amla, that is eat amla, drink amla, breathe amla. It is described like this. From this we will realize how important and useful amla can be. We should think about this and use amla in more quantity in the next slide. We should pay attention to how it can be done easily, how it can be done for all the family and protect our health. In the alternative names of amla, words like Amalaki, Dietary, Pathya, Amruta have been mentioned, and in that too we realize how great it is importance is. The amla fruit itself stays on the amla tree for near about 9 months from its tender stage to its maturity. Many seasons affect it, therefore it should be constant and daily use. In Indian philosophy, it is said that where does the goddess Lakshmi reside? One of the places is amla. If amla is given a place in our body, it is believed that goddess Lakshmi will also be placed with us. I wish you good health and blessing of goddess Lakshmi. I will stop here for now. Thank you very much.